Good morning, guys. Look at this morning. These clouds are beautiful. It's almost 7 o'clock on Thursday morning, and me and Max are headed to the dog beach. We'll see you there. Goodness, guys, gas is $2.09. If that price keeps going up, it's going to cost me a fortune to go up to Indiana. Oh, well. Here's Max's hairdo for today. Isn't he cute? There's a small airport in front of us here. Just for mainly private jets and stuff. We're in a very rich neighborhood here where the dog beach is, so yeah, they've got private jets and stuff. Beautiful morning though, isn't it? There's the airport. There's a golf course here next to it. And exit down. Look how beautiful it is this morning. This is a restaurant called Sharky's, and it's right on the water. And they don't open till 11. It's like 7:30. So I'd like to go there, but I don't know if we'll be at the beach that long. My roommate went there yesterday and said they were open. So we'll see. Alright. Lake's quiet. You're not in. I got it. Alright, Max. Alright, so here is the view from the plank. We walk down, and there's hardly anybody here. The ocean's very calm. All right, guys, my feet are in the ocean, or in the Gulf of Mexico. I call it the ocean because it's big. It attaches to it somewhere. Ooh, that's a big dog. Here, Max, go get the ball. There's one of those private jets. Get the ball. Oh, if you're not going to play with it, I'm not going to throw it. Whoops. It was turned on. Sorry, guys. He's not playing with his ball. He's got too much else to do. There's a coconut. Oh, you're going to pee on the coconut. Okay. Everybody's going to pee on a coconut. He's made himself some friends. I got my umbrella there. There's the pier I'd like to go out on. But we'll see if we stay that long. There's the turtle nest. If you can see it, it's got pink. Yeah. There's several turtle nests all the way down. This beach doesn't normally have a lot of shells, but today there's shells everywhere. Got a little pink one. Isn't that cute? To walk down here, my feet are sensitive. It's hard to walk on those shells. How you guys doing today? I hope good. Feels good to get out. The water's a little murky. There's kind of like a slime on top. I wouldn't get in there. I definitely wanted to come before they close the beaches down. I don't know if they will for 4th of July or not. But people down here don't act like there's a virus at all in Florida. They just go do whatever, and you wouldn't even know we had a problem. So, but the numbers are rising because they opened up the restaurants too soon and everything. So, I come down early in the morning to avoid the hot sun and to avoid people too. I prefer it like this. For all of you who cannot get out of the house, this is for you. Chrissy, if you're watching this, I miss you, and I'm glad that I'll get to see you before I leave. Now that I'm leaving a little bit later. So I'm looking forward to us coming to the beach together very soon. Maybe we can bring him to the dog beach. Well, I actually prefer Boca Grande. This beach is nice, but seems like Boca Grande's water is clearer and it's cleaner. And sometimes I don't trust the dogs they bring here. So it's always best to be careful. So Chrissy will be back soon, guys, and we will make a video. She'll be back next week. That's a pretty shell. Mikkel, I hope you can come down and visit me. Mikkel and Ben. We can go shell hunting, and maybe someday you guys can come visit me. I'll be down here in the winter, so maybe we can work that out. That looks nice. I think I might have to get in and swim. I don't know. There's some scum on the water here. I didn't look up to see. Sometimes this time of year we get red tide. It doesn't smell, and usually if that's the case, it'll bother me. But I see some green algae on the surface. We are under the shade. Yeah, we're out of shape now. The sand here is kind of a gray, dark kind of color. A lot of the beaches around here, I mean, we have white beaches, just sandy. We have all shell beaches. We have so many different kinds of beaches. This one is not my favorite, but they do let dogs come here, so it's nice. Max is happy here under the umbrella with this ball and water. You missing Oreo? Oreo will be back soon, yeah. It looks like there's someone on the pier. I'm not sure if they're open. A lot of people fish down at the end and get catch sharks and stuff. So the restaurant's called Sharkies. They do catch a lot of sharks down there. They caught a 10-foot hammerhead one time, and she was pregnant, and they rescued her. That was good. I don't have a thing against sharks. They don't bother me. I don't bother them. So, it's all good. Oh, Max found a friend. Hey, Max. Go play. It's okay. Go play, baby. I didn't want to videotape that guy because he had on a thong or a tong or whatever you call it. So I kind of avoided, but Max was playing with his dog. I don't know if they call that porn or not, but this is a PG video, so we're going to keep it that way. I don't want it to even be PG-13. It is a glorious, beautiful day. Go play, Max. Why don't you go play with them doggies? They want to play? Go play. There you go. He doesn't go far from his mommy. There goes the dog. Max used to, when I brought him here, he was 3 months old. And he used to run up to every dog and had to say hi. He was the happiest, most social dog you'd want to meet. And he's still like that. But he's 6 years old now, and we have been laying around too much, I'll admit. And he's just as out of shape as I am. So I can understand just running a little bit probably makes him tired. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'll be quiet so you can just enjoy the beach. Max, you act like you're ready to go already. Come on, we're not going to go yet. It's still early. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go play. Say, but I'm tired, Mama. We haven't been here very long. Come on, let's get in the water. Come on, baby. Yeah. Oh, where's that airplane? I hear it. Good boy, Max. It's really quite pleasant out here. It's not too hot. I love it when it's overcast like this. You find things like, let me show you this on the beach. This is part of like a woolly mammoth bone or something. You don't find, like, that's not normal beach stuff. We have a lot of things like that around here where you can find woolly mammoth bones and old shark's teeth, megalodon teeth and stuff. Make sure my umbrella didn't blow away, yeah? Okay. Well, that's a pretty shell. It's halfway gone, though. It's pretty. Look at that cloud. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, that's weird. What's a pine cone doing on the beach here? That's a strange thing on the beach. Go get the coconut, Max. All right, finally got him swimming. Yeah. When he needs a bath, I usually bring him to the beach because we get it. I'd rather, bring him to the beach. I know he's going to need a bath anyway, so when he needs a bath, we come to the beach. That way he can have fun before he gets one. He doesn't mind it, but here you go. Go get it. Get the coconuts. Come on, get it. I'm going to be brave and get in for a second. I think it's just, maybe just from, I'm not sure what that is, but it doesn't smell, so I'm sure it's fine. Well, good luck. Look at that cloud. It looks like a huge, bird. And there's the tents. I'm probably going to be paying for walking this much because my foot still is not right. I'm telling you guys, I complain too much. But I do have health. I haven't been able to walk on my foot for months. Plantar fasciitis. It feels like I got a nail in my heel almost. So I'm tiptoeing. But yeah, I will pay for it later. It's worth it. I don't care. Look at that dog. Hi, say hi. Say hi to everybody. What's his name?
Puma.
Puma, you're beautiful. I think we'll just sit down here in these shelves and dig around, see if we find anything. Oh yeah. See what we find. That's part of a tooth. There goes another airplane. Everything that's black here in the sand is part of either a bone or a tooth from the dinosaur age. That's pretty. You can see it. I like the ones that are pink. Yes, hello. Alright guys, so I guess that's it. Max is ready to go. And I guess that's it for our day. So y'all enjoy your day and we're gonna head back to the car. I'd like to videotape it, but I have a bunch to carry. We'll see if I can. Okay, that was a hike. There's some flowers. Woo. Yeah, that sun, as soon as it comes up, it starts getting hot. And this is a beautiful little park, though. See if I can. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I gotta get out more. I'm out of breath. Okay, take a break. These are sea grapes, guys. And I've heard that they are really good. Let me zoom in on them so you can see them. I am dying to taste a sea grape. I've been wanting to for a long time, and I never did catch it at the right time. One time there were so many of them, but we had red tide, so I didn't trust eating them. But look, they're not ready yet. The iguanas like to eat them. In Mexico, they call them Mexican chickens, iguanas. That's a joke, guys, but it's true. They do eat them, and they say they taste like chicken, but I wouldn't. I think they're nice, except for when they eat all the grapes before I get here. I'm very grateful that they put this fence here because there used to not be a fence blocking this area. And Max got away from me one time and ran through this jungle. He heard something. I didn't know if he was going to come back, but he came back right in the same spot where he went in. But he was gone for a while. It seemed like forever. Maybe 20 minutes. I was freaking out. All right. I think I'm going to try to put my shoes on now. This over here is a park where people walk around the lake. There's alligators in that lake. Look at that lizard. Yeah, you. Hi. Oh, what you gonna do now? Go home? Oh, I love that. Look at that. Are you fearless of sharks?
Yeah.
Good. Good. Thank you. That was a cute kid I met. His name was Mason. With the shark t-shirt on. All right, we're gonna head on back. All right, we are ready to go back. And there's some coconut trees up there. Isn't that awesome? I don't see any coconuts on the ground, but okay, that was fun. Well, we were actually here for an hour and a half. It seems like it wasn't no time, but time goes by fast. All right, I got a pocket full of sea grapes. They are green. We'll put them in the sun and it'll be our little experiment, see what happens. I definitely want to try them. All right, so looks like you can go in here. I'm not sure if the pier's open or not though. I know they don't allow dogs unless he has his vest on. That's come on, lady, what are you waiting for? Alright, so that's the sharkies. My roommate wanted to take me out to dinner before I moved, so I might ask him to bring me here. Because it's right on the ocean. That would be awesome. Alright guys, that's it for this beach video. We'll see you guys later. Much love.